Hello my friend that subscribe to my channel and like this video. You're gonna have fun with this video. These are foot long hot dogs, and you'll see. Look at it. This is just a fun video, but just follow me, and this is gonna be really nice for the summer. I like this type of bread, a sweet bread. They call it pan sobao from Puerto Rico, but you can use any bread. But remember, you need a long bread. So I'm gonna put some mayonnaise here on both sides of the bread inside. Put some mayonnaise, and I'm gonna go to the griddle here outside, the flat top griddle here, and I'm gonna just give some color to these hot dogs here on the side. This is actually in low heat, and I'm gonna put a little way over it so it gets the markings from the griddle. And on the left side it's actually off, but it gets kind of warm, so I'm gonna put the bread on this side so the bread starts getting even softer. So I'm gonna put a little bit of water under the hood here, so that creates some steam, and that bread is gonna be so soft, so super soft. I'm gonna put some on here in the middle. I'm gonna add some oil, and we're gonna cook some veggies here. I'm gonna use onions, green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, anything that you can find in the kitchen. This is optional, my friends, but remember, this is how I like it. You can change anything on your recipe if you want. You can add a little bit of salt and pepper here. I like my veggies a little crispy, so I don't want to overcook them. It's just like kind of flipping them for about a minute total. Just flipping them and moving them around. I'm gonna put them to the side here. This is off, so I just want them to stay warm. I don't want it to be extra soft or too chewy. I like them crisp. My hot dogs here, I'm gonna flip them over. You can see they're already nice on that side. If you have the griddle too hot, it will burn them. So you gotta have a low heat. And there you have it. Look at how beautiful these hot dogs look. I'm gonna put the weight here again, just to keep them there. And these are actually ready, so I'm gonna put them to the side, which is also off on this corner. And I'm gonna go back to my bread, my sweet bread here. I'm gonna pull it from under the hood here in the corner, and I'm gonna bring it here and start preparing my beautiful sandwich. I thought I was gonna be able to fit more hot dogs in there, but I can see that I'm only gonna fit a few. So I'm gonna put mustard in one side and ketchup on the other side. My wife doesn't like the mustard, so I only put mustard on half side. You can put any sauces or anything that you want. I'm using some Munster cheese here, and I want to actually melt this over the bread, so I'm gonna put the hood over it, a little bit of water also, and it's gonna create that steam. And there you have it. The cheese is actually all melted. Now I can only fit 3 of these foot-long hot dogs here. You can see that it's almost the size of the bun, which is exactly what I wanted. And now on top of this, all you have to do is you're gonna put your veggies all over your hot dogs here. Remember, this is optional, but this is so good if you try it like this. I guarantee you're gonna like it. And there you have it. There's your hot dog, foot long hot dog sandwich. Enjoy.